Hi, this is Eric with ForgeCon Conclusions. Today we're going to be altering some earrings. So we've got these earrings here. They're basically like clips, and the customer was looking for something that was more of like a normal hook type of earring. So these are simple hook earrings. We have a little joint here so we could bend this. And the same here, we're just going to bend these, remove this part, and we're just going to simply attach these on there. So no fuss, no muss, we'll be done in no time. All right, so this is basically kind of like a very simple repair. This is also like a DIY kind of thing. The biggest thing that you want to look for is to make sure that the jump rings are actually closed on the piece. And that's, if there's a gap, you can just remedy that by just using pliers. So most people have like normal, like regular tapered pliers. But I'm going to be using these flat ones today. They just get into the surfaces a little bit better. So you can see on these clips, there's a little seam here. So that's a normal thing. And you just bend this and take it off the jump ring. Like, very easy to do. Just need a pair of pliers. Don't really need any magnification or anything like that. It's just a very simple alteration. So we're going to do the same with this one. Just bend it and then just take it off. So now we've got two of the earrings. We just need to attach our new hooks on. All right, so they're 18 by 16 millimeter French ear wires, and they have the it's like a 3 millimeter bead on there, and these have a little like flattened area just to add a little bit more interest to it, and it keeps the bead from moving around on the wire. So same deal as the original clips. There's a seam right here, so we could actually just bend it open. So now there's a gap, and we'll attach it to the jump ring. So get my fingers out of the way. So there's our jump ring. We'll put these on. So when you attach these, just make sure you're putting them on the right direction. So they're going to hang like this. So what we're going to do, keep the bead out of the way. We're going to bend the wire back to where it's supposed to be, and then it'll just keep the earring dangle part, in place. So we got our little pliers here. Just bend it. Make sure that it's aligned pretty well. Make sure that the gap that's on here is very small, and now it's on there. So we'll do the same with the other one. The conversion's complete. We removed these clips and we attached French ear wire, about 18 by 16 millimeter to these. Made sure that the gaps on the connection points of the jump rings and the wire are minimal, and they're basically ready to wear at this point. So this is Eric with ForgeCon Conclusions. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share.